By the end of this video, you will know a lot of ways to create sketch in Fusion 360 really fast. So, there are three ways to create sketch. First one, basic. In top bar, choose Create Sketch button. Easy. Second one, long and boring. Click on drop down menu, then click Create Sketch. This is not for us. And third one, my favorite one. Once, click on three dots, change keyboard shortcut, and now in any time simply press this button to create sketch. This is much more better than any other way. Next, select a plane to sketch on. In Fusion 360, you can choose from different planes like XY, YZ, or XZ. For this demonstration, let's select XY plane. Now that we are in sketch mode, let's explore some basic sketch tools. Fusion 360 offers a variety of tools such as line, circle, arc, rectangle, and more. Use this tool to create simple shapes on the selected plane by clicking and dragging or specifying dimension. To ensure accuracy and control in your design, it's essential to add dimension and constraints to your sketch. Dimensions define the size of your geometry, while constraints maintain relationship between elements. Apply constraints like coincidence, parallel, or perpendicular to keep your sketch well defined. If you need to make changes to your sketch, Fusion 360 provides easy editing tool. You can move, resize, or delete elements within the sketch. Keeping your sketches clean and organized will help streamline the design process and avoid errors down the line. Once your sketch is complete, it's time to bring it into the third dimension by extruding it. Select the sketch geometry you want to extrude. This process transforms your 2D sketch into a 3D object ready for further modification. As we wrap up this tutorial on sketching in Fusion 360, remember that practice makes perfect. By mastering sketching techniques and exploring advanced features in Fusion 360, you can unleash your creativity to bring your design ideas to life. Thank you for watching